Assalamualaikum, Adab, Sasriyakal, Namaskaram, Ola, Wanakkam, welcome back once again to my page, you guys. So you guys must be wondering that why I'm here. So let me tell you guys. So today I'll show you a very quick night makeup look. So stay tuned for that. So here are all my makeups. So I have already moisturized my skin and now I'm going to prime my face. So first I'm going to pick up this L'Oreal Base Magique primer. This one is my favorite. Do try this out, so now guys. It's time to apply all over your face, especially on your T-zone areas. Set karna denge ise aur tab tak let's have some tea. Next I'm going to use this foundation, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. I'm super excited to try this out, and my complexion is Sun Beige 310. Do not forget your neck. And what do you guys think? This shade is a perfect match for me or not? I think it's so beautiful. I'm going to apply some concealer, and my concealer is this one. This one is from L'Oreal True Match, and my shade is light to medium N425. So first I'm going to apply under my eyes. And blend. Next, the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, and blend the usual thing. Next up, I'm using this Natio translucent powder, and I'm going to bake my face. Not really bake. I'm just going to set my other eyes, my cupid's bow, my bridge of my nose. Next up, I'm using this Nykaa foundation stick, and this one is 07, and I'm just going to contour my face just a little, you know, fine face, blend everything. Next up, I'm using this Anastasia contour kit, and I'm just going to apply all over the contouring area. You don't need a lot, just a little. That's my base. And it's time for the eyes, and I want a smoky eye look. This shade is one of my favorite shades. This one is the MAC Girly. I applied it on my upper crease area, and now I'm going to use any kind of dark color or dark pencil, and I'm going to cover this area. Now just blend everything well. आपको एकदम प्रोफेशनल की जैसे करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप ऐसे ही कर सकते हो. जिस आपको कवर करना है इसको very carefully, ऊपर न उठ. You can use your fingers as well if you do not have any brush. ऐसे करके आपको fingers से करना है. Next up, I'm using this carbon eyeshadow from MAC, and I'm going to use this on my lid area. Like this. Don't drag too much, just try to pat like this. I have this brush, and I'm just going to blend everything well. I didn't use any extra, you know, any extra eyeshadow. I'm just blending everything well. Make sure you are done. This one is very easy. Do try this out. And next I'm going to use this Pack 61 eyelash shiz. So finally I'm done with my lashes, and guys, it was struggle for me, guys. It was a struggle. Next up I'm using my MAC mascara. So next up I'm using this Prism eyebrow, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. So fill in your eyebrows. Just small strokes, that's it. Next up, I'm using this pencil brush, and I will apply the under eye area, the eyeshadow, and I'm using Pack M18. This shadow is Pack M1 Can you see? Next, I'm using this Faces eye pencil. It's a beautiful color. See? Love, love, love. Next up, I'm using this MAC blush, and my shade is Mocha, and this one is my favorite. I love this shade. Next up, I'm using this back setting spray and just all over your face. Next up, I'm using this MAC highlighter, and the shade is Hush, and I'm going to apply the high points of my face, my cheek, my nose, my, I absolutely love this one because it will give you a very subtle glow. Absolutely love, love, next, love. Last but not the least, my favorite MAC, and the shade is Meher. I absolutely love. Let me show you guys quickly. This shade is Love. Now jewelry time, and I'm wearing this beautiful jewelry, and this one is from Chambalama. This one is the silver jewelry, and I absolutely love this. I'm done. That's my whole look. Let me show you this sari.